We turn on the tap every day, but some people are refusing to actually drink what comes out of it.
I made a conscious decision to not drink tap as much as possible. I want to live a long life. I don't want any health issues.
And Howard Townsend is not alone. There's a growing concern about how our drinking water is clean. Chlorine is the most common way to sanitize the water. But scientists have found there's a chemical reaction between the chlorine and natural organisms found in the water. That reaction produces chemicals called trihalomethanes, which have been shown to cause cancer and birth defects.
There have been an associated risk with developing bladder cancer, or for pregnant women, when there's prolonged exposure, there's a chance that their infants might be of a low birth weight or might have some birth defects.
The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA for short, allows water utilities to have 80 parts per billion of trihalomethanes, but some researchers say that's still dangerously high.
We do think that the national level should be lower. I think the point of our report was to lower what the federal government allows.
The EPA acknowledges the potential dangers, stating on its website some people who drink water that contains trihalomethanes exceeding the accepted standard, quote, could experience liver, kidney, or central nervous system problems and increased risk of cancer. Miami-Dade and Broward counties follow the current EPA standards, and both contend the water here is safe to drink.
People need to understand that almost any human activity involves some level of risk. What we can say about the public water supply here in Miami-Dade County is that it does meet all of the standards that have been set.
But Howard doesn't trust those standards.
I think the way they do it now, it's about cost. It's cost effective just to, there's some chemicals in there to neutralize like certain really bad like pathogens and things like that. I don't know what the solution is.
So for now, he will stay tapped out. Jeff Lennox, 7 News.